This tutorial is for 3rd grade, Module 2, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we will use the number line to help us add time. The first question says Cole read his book for 25 minutes yesterday and for 28 minutes today. How many minutes did Cole read altogether? Model the problem on the number line and write an equation to solve. So if I go back to the problem, let's see, he read 25 minutes yesterday and 28 minutes today, and we need to find out how many minutes he read altogether. I'm going to start on the number line at 25 minutes. I can see the number line has marks for 20 and 30, so 25 would be right between those. And now I'm going to hop along the number line 28 minutes to find the total. When I hop, I'm going to hop on to what we call friendly numbers to make it easier to keep track of how far I've hopped and to make larger hops as well. For example, I can start at 25 and hop to 30. That would be 5 minutes. I know I have to hop 28 minutes altogether, so I'll keep going. From here I can make a hop of 10. So far I've hopped 15 minutes, which means I can do another hop of 10. That means I've hopped a total of 25, and then I would just need 3 more, or a hop of 3 to finish it off. That would put me at 53. That tells me that 25 minutes plus 28 minutes equals 53 minutes. And Cole read for 53 minutes. The next problem says Tessa spent a total of 34 minutes washing her dog. It took her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse, and the rest of the time to get the dog into the bathtub. How many minutes did Tessa spend getting her dog in the bathtub? And we'll use the number line again to solve the problem. Let's see, so it took a total of 34 minutes, and of that 34 minutes, 12 minutes were spent on actually shampooing and rinsing the dog. There are a couple of different ways we could use the number line to solve this problem. One strategy would be to start at 12 minutes on the number line, which would fall about here, and count up to 34 minutes. That will give me the remaining amount of time that was spent getting the dog into the bathtub. And again, I will hop on friendly numbers to help with that addition. I'll first start by going from 12 to 15. That's a hop of 3. Then from there to 20 is a hop of 5. From here I can hop to 30. That would be a hop of 10. And since it took a total of 34 minutes, I'm going to hop to 34 from there, which is a hop of 4. Now I just need to add up the number of hops I made. 10 and 4 is 14, plus 5 is 19, plus 3 is 22. It took Tessa 22 minutes to get her dog into the tub. The equation that would go along with that solution would be 12 plus 22, which equals 34. There's another strategy we could use to solve this problem as well. Instead of starting at the 12 and counting up to 34, I could start at the 34 and subtract 12, or move backwards 12, and that would show me the amount of time Tessa spent getting the dog into the bathtub. If I start at 34 and jump back to 30, that would be a negative hop of 4. And then let's hop, I'm going to actually do a hop of 10 backwards. That gets me to 20, but altogether I've hopped back 14. So let's make up for that, because I only needed to hop back 12, so I'm going to move forward 2 more. And that puts me at 22 as well. So it took these 22 minutes for Tessa to get the dog into the tub, and then the remaining 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse the dog. In that situation, we would write the equation 34 minus 12 equals 22. Either solution is fine. You still get a final answer of 22 minutes to get her dog into the tub. The next question says Tessa walked her dog for 47 minutes. Jerry walked his dog for 30 minutes. How many more minutes did Tessa walk her dog than Jerry? And we can use any strategy to solve this problem. I'm going to start by writing an answer statement with a blank where the final answer goes, just to help keep me focused on the problem I need to solve. So the question is, how many more minutes did Tessa walk her dog than Jerry? I'll say Tessa walked her dog blank minutes more than Jerry. And I think the strategy I'm going to use here will be a tape diagram. I'm going to draw a tape for Tessa to show how long she walked her dog, and that was 47 minutes. So we'll give her a nice long tape, and this tape is 47 minutes. Jerry walked his dog for 30 minutes, and I'll give him a shorter tape showing that. So there's 30 minutes. The question is, how many more minutes did Tessa walk her dog than Jerry? That means we need to find the number that would go in this space, because that is the more than part when you look at Tessa's tape. I know that this section and this section equal 47. Well, 30 and 17 would equal 47. So Tessa walked her dog 17 minutes more than Jerry. So there's one strategy you could use to solve this problem. The next question says, it took Austin 4 minutes to take out the garbage, 12 minutes to wash the dishes, and 13 minutes to mop the floor. How long did it take Austin to do his chores? And we're going to solve this on the number line. I'll start by writing a statement for my answer. I'll say it took Austin blank minutes to do his chores. And we'll start with the 4 minutes it took to take out the garbage. I'll find the 4 mark on my number line. To that we will add the 12 minutes it took him to wash the dishes. I'll do a hop of 1 to get to 5, and then let's do a hop of 5, and then another hop of 5. That gets me to 15, and then another hop of 1. That takes me to 16. So there's the 12 minutes for washing the dishes, and from there I need to hop 13 minutes to mop the kitchen floor. Let's see how we want to do 13. Let's do a hop of 10 first. I'm at 16. I'm going to hop 10. That would put me at 26. And then from there, I can hop 3 more. That puts me at 29. That tells me it took Austin 29 minutes to do his chores. Now this is just one way you could hop along the number line to solve this problem. Students are welcome to use their own strategies on the number line. Now we're going to use that answer to help us solve the next problem. This one says Austin's bus arrived at 7:55 a.m. If he started his chores at 7:30 a.m., was he done in time to meet his bus? Let's explain our reasoning. Well, if he started his chores at 7:30, I'm going to turn this into a number line here. Here's 7:30, and we know it took him 29 minutes to do the chores. So let's hop along here on the number line. Let's make a hop of 10 minutes. That would put him at 7:40. And then another hop of 10 minutes. That would put him at 7:50. And then now we need a hop of 9 minutes, and that would put him at 7:59. Well, if the bus came at 7:55 and he finished his chores at 7:59, he was not done in time to meet his bus. And you can see on the number line how that proves that answer.